bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a whee! Probably the only time I'll get to ride this without having to have a child with me, so this is awesome. Here we are on the Berry Trail, Bear Express at Wildwood Grove. Dolly was just there singing. There's this beautiful tree. Whee! Woohoo! Woohoo! Best kitty ride ever. Hands up. Oh, there's the gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a picture. Do 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 do. Bouncing along on the bear. Whee! Lean back. Whoa! Looking like a Bronco. This bear is wild. Woohoo! Woo! We're on the bears. Woo! Ripley's here. Hi, Ripley's. This is the place to be. Brand new. Open it here. Wildwood Grove at Dollywood.